Hi guys, it's Christina. I have some really exciting news for you today. My channel now has memberships. Memberships are a great way to support my channel beyond subscribing. For a small fee, you're gonna get access to a lot of benefits and features. But don't worry, nothing's gonna change on my channel. I'm still gonna be bringing you furniture, painting tips, and makeovers every week. Membership is just gonna give you access to some added benefits that I've created for you. There are 3 memberships to choose from, and it is a reoccurring fee every month, but you can cancel at any time and you can move up and down in your membership depending on your budget and your needs. Level 1 is my DIYers. You are gonna have access to loyalty badges that will pop up next to your name, and you're also gonna have access to custom emojis that I've come up with that you can use in live chats and on my premiere of my videos. You'll also be given access to a members only community tab where I will ask you questions to choose my next video, maybe my next paint that I'm gonna use, and I may even sneak in some behind the scene photos or early access to my videos. Level 2 is for my furniture artists, and you guys are gonna get everything that was included in the DIY membership, but I'm also going to do a live Q&A stream with you once a month where you can ask me questions about your projects and the things that you're working on. And anytime you comment on one of my videos and ask a question, I will give you a 72-hour turnaround time. Your loyalty badge is gonna notify me of that, and I will get back to you within 72 hours. And I'm also gonna give you a 15% off any of my t-shirts or my mugs in my merch shop. Level 3 is for my brand builders. Those of you who are doing furniture painting as a business, I'm gonna do a live Q&A with you every month and give you tips and tricks and insight onto how I built my channel and my brand. And I'm also going to feature an artist once a month on one of my videos. You will have the opportunity to enter a piece and your bio, and I will pick from that group once a month and feature your business and your piece on my channel. And don't forget, you're also gonna have access to everything the DIY and furniture artist levels have as well. So I'm really excited about this, you guys. I hope you're excited about it too. It's really easy to join. Just hit that join button or hit the link that's in this video below. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you soon.